Hi everyone, I'm Priyanka and you're welcome to my channel, The Terrace Kitchen. Diwali is around the corner and today's video is about one such Diwali special recipe. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make Alu Bhujia Namkeen at home. Let's get started.
First take a big bowl and 3 medium-sized boiled and peeled potatoes. Let them cool down. Now grate the potatoes using medium-sized grater. Use medium or small size grater, do not use the bigger one. It's important to grate the potatoes so that the dough comes out smooth and it's easier to operate or use using the kitchen press. Now to the mashed potatoes add 2 cups gram flour or besan, 1/4 teaspoon hing or asafoetida, 1 teaspoon chaat masala, salt as per taste, 1/4 teaspoon turmeric powder. Now add red chilli powder somewhere between 1/4 to half teaspoon or as per your taste. Mix it all to make a soft dough and add water only if needed. Now apply 1 to 2 teaspoon oil to this dough. Take your kitchen press or murukku maker with save or namkeen attachment, and if it's becoming difficult for you to handle the dough, apply oil to your hands, and also you can apply oil to the murukku maker inside and onto the plate. Drop in the save in the hot oil and the flame should be between medium to high. And you would notice that the bhujia or the namkeen would start shrinking, and it's important that you flip it so that it gets nice and even golden color on all the sides. You can also use your traditional murukku or namkeen maker for this. I have got that too, but this kitchen press is easier to operate, that's why I prefer to use this one. Similarly, fry rest of the namkeen. Now keep the aloo bhujia aside and let it cool down. Meanwhile, you can see how messy my kitchen has become. I will quickly clean the counter, hob and chimney. Let the Mr. Muscle kitchen cleaner sit for some minutes. I like to keep my kitchen clean always, and what could be better if you can do it quickly without putting in a lot of effort and time. Being a working woman, I always look for quick and effective ways of cleaning my kitchen. Mr. Muscle kitchen cleaner helps me with that. Mr. Muscle kitchen cleaner easily and effortlessly cleans stuff grease, curry stains and turmeric stains even from this white kitchen counter. It is so easy to use. My husband, when he helps me with cleaning, he loves to use Mr. Muscle as it is so easy and convenient to use. The aloo bhujia has cooled down and now I'm going to crush these. You need to crush these slightly, not a lot. You can eat this delicious aloo bhujia right away, but if you want to store this, you can put this in an airtight container and this would stay good up to a month outside your refrigerator. Hope you like this recipe. Wishing you a happy, safe and clean Diwali. Enjoy!